I would like to thank the BGS student athletes and their coaches for naming me the BGSU's most dedicated Falcon fan. And heck, you know I'm the most dedicated BG Falcon fan out here because I go to every single sporting event there is. From going to hockey games to football games to any other sporting event that there is at BGSU. As you can tell by my hat and my sweatshirt right here, I got all the gear that I need for the games. And I just go to every single game out there. And I would like to thank the coaches for bringing the group of BGSU students together for great games that you guys provide for the fans. And I would like to thank the student athletes too, because your dedication and hard work really involve into putting a great performance together for the fans to watch, especially me, since I'm the most dedicated fan. I know I'm the coolest guy on campus with all the BG gear. Heck, half of my wardrobe, and like I have over half of my wardrobe. I have probably 30 BG stuff inside my closet and inside of my drawers. Cause heck, BG is the most amazing and awesomest campus there is, and has the best sports. And guess what? They swept Toledo. We just a little sweep, sweep, sweep to them. So BG is number one in my heart and number one in everybody's hearts. So let's go BGSU. BGSU. Go BG and roll along as we are going to win the Mid-American Conference and the National Championship next year in basketball. Roll on, talons up.